You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name in English. A name of Greek origin, meaning bright light and torch. If you want to learn more confusing names that many get wrong, stay tuned. Generally pronounced in French, Elina. Spanish pronunciation, Elina. Therefore, in English, it's more generally pronounced as Elina. Do you pronounce it any other ways? I don't think you'd say Elina. Generally, Elina. How do you pronounce it? Let us know. Let everybody know in the comments so we can all learn from you. Elina. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.